folks, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and today we're doing a music lesson. We're going to learn how to play Do, Re, Mi up and down on the neck of the guitar. We're actually going to learn it 3 ways today, so stay tuned for different challenges throughout this lesson. I'm going to do this as one take so you can see what I'm doing in real time and move along with me as a practice lesson. So grab your Loog and get ready to play along with me, okay? Here we go. So, why are we learning the major scale? Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Well, I'll tell you this. All contemporary music is based off of this major scale. Now, granted, some things might change depending on the mood or the tone of the song, but every song is based off of this sound. And as future guitarists, I want to help you learn how to train your ear and learn how to play by ear. It starts with understanding that you naturally know the sounds and the steps of a major scale. That's a major scale. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now, this is very interesting. We start with the open first string, and we're going to go all the way up and down, as I just did. Notice that we have 2 dots here on our Loog. This is the 12th fret. 12 half steps from one do to another do. So there's 12 half steps, and the major scale has 8 steps. So 8 steps to get from one do to the other do. Now, if you're playing piano, you can see that very clearly that we have it stretched out for 88 keys, and we could start on one C, go to the next C, go to the next C, go to the next C. These are in octaves. Octave meaning 8, right? 8 steps. So here we are going up and down on our fretboard from one do, open, to the other do, 12. All right, so that being said, let's learn how to get there. I'm going to use my first finger for level 1. We're going to go first finger, open, first string, 2nd fret. That's a whole step, 2 frets. Another 2 frets, 4. Then we do a half step to 5, a whole step to 7, a whole step to 9, a whole step to 11, and then a half step to 12. So we have 2 half steps and several whole steps. Let's do that again. Open, 2nd fret, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 9th fret, 11th fret, half step to 12. Now let's go backwards, because when I was learning music, they never taught me how to go backwards. So we're going to go do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. Do. Ti, half step to 11. La, 9. So, 7. Fa, 5. Mi, 4. Re, 2. Do, open. So there's our level 1 major scale for an open string 0 to 12. And you can play that on all 3 strings. That's your challenge. Play on all 3 strings. Let's do the 3rd string. Great. A level 2 version is using all 4 fingers. So we're going to do open first string, first finger, 3rd finger, 4th finger, 5th fret, skip, 7th fret, 1st finger, 9th fret, 2nd finger, 11th fret, 3rd finger, pinky, 4th finger on the 12th fret. Now let's go backwards. 12, 11, 10, whoops, not 10, 12, 11, 9, 7, skip to 5 with the pinky, 4, 3rd finger, 1st finger, 2nd fret, and open. And you can challenge yourself on all 3 strings. Let's do it again on the 3rd string this time. Backwards. Reach, skip. Okay, if you're getting good at that, now we can play starting on a fretted note. We're going to play a C major scale on the 2nd string, starting on the 1st fret. That's a C, just like you would on the middle of the piano, C. And we're going to go up with our 1st finger. We're going to go 1, that's our do, whole step, 3, whole step, 5, half step 6, whole step 8, whole step 10, whole step 10, 12, and then a half step 13. Let's do that up again. 1, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Now let's go backwards. 13, 12, 10, 8, 6, 5, 3, 1. Level 1 complete. Now let's do multiple fingers. 1st finger, reach 2nd finger, reach 3rd finger, half step with the pinky, skip 8th fret, 1st finger, 10th finger, 12th finger, 12th finger, fret, and then pinky on the 13th. Let's go backwards. Pinky, 3rd finger, 2nd finger, 1st finger, skip pinky, 3rd finger, reach. Okay, so that's a C major scale. Now what makes C so unique is it's an all natural scale. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Those are the notes. And we have natural half steps between mi and fa, E and F, and T and do, B and C. And that's what makes C so unique. Like when you see it on a piano, we've got a bunch of black keys that you don't play, but you're playing all of the white keys, and that sound is perfectly in line. So this is us training our ear. You know that you play it right because it sounds good. If you make a mistake, you'll instantly know you made a mistake. And this is how we train our ear as future guitarists, to know when we're playing correctly and when we're playing it incorrectly. Okay, last challenge for today. We're going to do a G major scale. Notice that every scale has a different name based on where we're starting. Now we've played the G major scale already up and down one string. Now we're going to play multiple strings. We're going to go across the strings. We're going to go through the low string to the high string. We're going to play a G major scale. Ready for this? Follow along. I'm going to play it once, then we're going to follow along. Here we go. G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. I'll tell you why it's F sharp in a later lesson, but right now, just know that that's the name of the note. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, so, la, ti, do. Now, does this look familiar? It should. It's a G chord. So the scale actually helps build chords. Yeah, that's the exciting part about the major scale. It also helps you make chords. We'll talk about that more later as well. So G, open G string. 2nd finger, 2nd fret. That's re. Open B string, mi. That's the 2nd string. 1st fret, fa. D, or the 3rd fret, so. Open 1st string, la. 2nd fret, ti. Here's our do. High G, do. Let's go one more time. Now backwards. Okay, everyone everyone makes mistakes. Let's do that again, backwards. So that's a G major scale across multiple strings. All right, guys, I wanted to show you this major scale 3 different ways, and you know now how to play a major scale up and down on your Loog, across the string on your Loog. You start to listen for it as you're playing along and practicing, and you know now also that you could start anywhere and go up and down, right? Maybe you run out of frets if you're going up and down, but you can start to challenge yourself to learn more scales. The scale is the same steps and the same sounds. The only thing that changes is your starting pitch. So have fun with that, and I'll see you next time with a new lesson and more songs here at Loog Nation. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great week. Bye.